are Simponic. We help you embrace a smart lifestyle and enhance our daily life into smart living easily. Dressing room is one of the most important places of our daily morning. We turn the light on for you once you step in and save the power when you are ready for the day. After a long day, we welcome you with warm living room. Just leave your stuff in the UVC box and let us keep the germs and virus away from you. Wherever you go, there will always be a warm and safe passage. We monitor the temperature and humidity to make you always in cool and pleasant condition. The smart camera will turn to and start shooting the video footage for 30 seconds where the door is open, and you will also receive the push notification. The camera gives you full HD video image and a wide viewing angle.
Okay, Google, movie time.
No more remote controls for lights, TV, or any other appliance. We can done the task by your command via Google Mini, Alexa, or Apple Siri. We will off all unnecessary lighting and appliance, but the door window sensors, camera, and smoke detectors will still be on guard and look after you while you are sleeping.